It's now Saturday, May 2nd, 2026, and at about 2 o'clock this morning here in Susupi, seems a fire broke out in one of the piles of debris that were in the Mount Carmel Church parking lot, right adjacent Beach Road. Emergency fire services were on the scene. Police were blocking the road, Beach Road. Very few people out, but no one within the immediate vicinity to get hurt. By about 2:39, 2:40, it seemed under control. The flames were no longer raging, and it was just smoke. So seems things are under control as of 2:45 to 55 a.m. Saturday morning. Just bringing you up to speed on some of the things going on here on our little island, and I'll see you in the next video.